Unit 4. The Earth, Air and Water. Our Earth. Our Earth is a planet in which we find life. The Earth's shape is like a ball. It is made of land and water. The Earth is responsible for days and nights when it is daylight. The other side of the Earth is night. Air. The Earth is surrounded by air. We have air everywhere. Air is needed by all living things to live. We can use air in different ways. Moving air is called wind. Water. A large part of our Earth is water. Water comes from rivers, seas and oceans. Number 1 rivers. Number 2 sea. Number 3 ocean. Number 4 cooking. Number 5 bathing. Number 6 drinking. All living things cannot live without water. We can use water in different ways. Tick the correct one. How is the girl moving the ping pong? B. By air. Color the correct use of water.